What's up, everybody? I want to get y'all a video of this ice storm. This is 2013, Knoxville, Tennessee. My steps are actually pretty frozen, so I gotta be careful. It's crazy. I had to actually move my truck 'cause it was parked right here, and I don't want any one of the frozen limbs to fall on my truck, so it's like there's just like a layer of ice on the whole truck. Can't put my windows down, nothing. I don't want to try to do anything. I'm gonna break something. You can see it started to defrost. I had the truck started so I can move it from under the tree. Just stuff like this makes me hate winter. The ground is frozen, all the grass is frozen. It's just nasty out. It's not even fun. Like, snow is fun, but this is just crap. So I can show you how thick this is. Oops. Broke that. Anyway. Let's see if I can get back up these steps without falling. Oh, shit. Yeah, there it is. It's a 2013 ice storm. It's bullshit.